How to upload files on Mega on PC. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to upload files on Mega Cloud on your PC. So let's just jump right in. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up your web browser, just like so. And then on the search bar, you need to go ahead and search for Mega. Hit enter, and you can find mega.io right here on top. Open it up, and if you have the desktop application, you can continue on with that as well. But I'll just go over here and then click on login. And once you are logged into Mega, here you on the left hand side you can find different icons like your cloud drive, your media, your shared items, and more. So what you need to do here is go over to cloud drive and then click on upload. But before uploading, I'm going to create a new folder first. I'll just name it pictures. Hit enter. Once the folder has been created, I can just double click on it again. You can either drag and drop something over here or just click on this upload or this upload over here. I can just click on this upload, click on upload file, and then you can select a file that you want to upload. Once you've done that, hit enter or click on open, and the files will start uploading on your folder. Once everything has been uploaded, it will show up right here. You can share it with other people if you want as well. And that's basically it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.